Hello friends, how are you? Today we are going to cook another food. So let's see that. At first wash these items clearly and boil them for refreshing. Okay, my bowl is finished and prepared for spinning. Just we are going to go another way. So first fry it. Then I am going to cook this food item. See, this is given, sauce is given. After some time my cooking is finished, so let's taste it. Really, this tastes so favorite. Thanks to everyone. This is another food items. If you wanna try, if you wanna like it, you can try it. Let's see this preparation. Another way to give a purpose. See this as given after tracing. Next is this.